how's it going? Today I'm going to go ahead and draw a skull, kind of a wacky looking skull, but let's get started, okay, for the Halloween season. It's going to be step-by-step, easy, completely, for beginners, and a short lesson, so let's do this together. I'm going to go over here and pull a line out. That's going to be the cheekbone. Over here for the other cheekbone. Curve. Edge of that cheekbone. Curve. Gonna pull in a bit. Gonna go in here, pull in a bit. Pulling up. Curve. Gonna go over here. Up. Curve. And I'm gonna go to the top of the head over here. So curve, line here for the top of that head. I'm gonna go over here, line up, down. It's for the eye socket now. Over here, up, down over here, downward. Curve line in, pull in. Same thing with the curved line down. Pull in. We have that kind of cartoonified eye socket there. Let's go over here. We're going to pull a line up, down. Going to flatten that out there. Down over here for kind of the canine over here. It's going to be really long. Canine's going to be really long. Line up, across, downward. If you like this kind of stuff, if you like learning how to draw simple Halloween drawings, hit the subscribe right now and click the bell notification. Just takes less than a second. It's gonna let you know when I post. I'm gonna be posting throughout the Halloween season, and then I'm gonna pause probably through the year, and then I'll continue again next year. So when you subscribe for this year, you're subscribing also for the following years. Or you're like, oh, what were those Halloween lessons, you know? And it'll just start appearing on your feed next year. So definitely, there's no downside to subscribing, so hit the subscribe. Curve up over here, and up in here. It's kind of, we're doing like the inner edges of that stuff. A line over here, fill out. See, we're filling that in, but there's a little bit of an edge there to look like there's kind of a depth to it. Line over here. And we're going to fill this in as well. Over here. See how those little edges right there? It creates those little edges to make it look 3D. I'm going to draw a line inward here as well on that one. Now everything is going to be mostly detail oriented now. So curve right here for the dimples right there. Line up here for kind of the center of the skull. Pulling a line out right there to kind of show kind of like a pseudo-angry kind of thing. It's like kind of angry, but not really. Pulling a line over here underneath one of the eye sockets over here. Curve over here. Line over here. Line over here. Line underneath on this side. Curve up. Over here this side. Pull in. Downward over here, just gonna fill that out. All right. And again, we're trying to find the folds. So think about the teeth, right, where the gums would be on this very odd shaped skull. So curve over here, curve over here, curve over here, curve over here, curve over here. All these areas on the inside. Underneath. Line. Curve here for the top. Line. Curve here. Right on. So I'm going to give it a little bit of depth right here. And for this, actually for these two, I'm going to fill in. It's a little bit different than the other one. I'm going to fill in, and it's going to show like a little bit of a layer there. Same thing over here on this side. And maybe we can put it over here as well. So it's all gonna kind of come together in this kind of like slightly giving this guy like a thickness to him. So now I'm gonna draw a thick layer, not thick layer, but yeah, like a thick line on the outer side of all that, because that's gonna kind of make it more. See, like right here, I'm just gonna make it thicker. It's gonna make it more substantial and kind of give it more gravitas. If you have any Halloween stuff that you want to see drawn on the channel, let me know. Don't forget to go to the store and pick up one of our stickers. Check it out. Line over here. Right on. Line. And then we can just throw, like, honestly, you can throw little nick marks anywhere, because the skull is, you know, going to be of a certain persuasion, right? It's going to be kind of dirty, grimy. You want it to look a little bit, you know, grimy in that sense. So maybe right here where the teeth are attached, right? You know, the gums, there'll be a little bit of odd layering to it. Line over here, line over here. Pulling a line over here on this side, pulling down. You know, just little additional things for kicks. Line over here. So it's pretty much like anything you want at this point. And that's the cool part about getting your base down, is all of this stuff, this extra stuff, this detail, you can go pretty much wild on it. And you can kind of put in things you like. You can throw things down here, showing like a little bit of a, you know, possibly a core shadow. It just kind of depends on you. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this skull rendition. What I want you to do is I want you to say hi to me in the comments section. Say happy Halloween. Because Halloween, as of the making of this video, Halloween is about a month and a half away. So yeah, say hi to me. Definitely say what's up, how's it going, and that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to share the video. When you share the video, it spreads the Halloween cheer way further, because I really want to, you know, push the Halloween stuff this year, like I do every year, but I really want to push it more than ever. So thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I'll talk to you very, very soon, okay? Talk to you next time.